Heated seats, remote start, even extra horsepower, features your car is already capable of doing, but manufacturers want you to keep paying to use. This isn't some future dystopia, it's happening right now. BMW sparked global outrage when it offered heated seat subscriptions in certain markets. The crazy part, the seats were already installed, the heating elements were already installed, the wiring was already installed. BMW simply used software to decide whether you could access the feature. Customers hated it. The backlash became so intense that BMW eventually backed away from heated seat subscriptions. But the bigger story was this. Car companies realized they could lock and unlock features with software. Many Toyota owners were shocked to learn that remote start functionality could depend on connected services subscriptions after trial periods ended. And that's where people started asking questions. If the button is already on my key fob, and the hardware is already in my car, why am I paying every month to use it? For many drivers, it felt less like ownership and more like renting. Then Mercedes took things to another level. The company offered a software upgrade that unlocked additional performance in certain electric vehicles. Same battery, same motors, same vehicle, different software setting. Think about that. Two people can own essentially the exact same car. One pays extra, one doesn't. One gets more acceleration, the other gets less. Not because the hardware changed, because a software switch changed. And that's the real story. BMW, Toyota, Mercedes, Tesla, Ford, GM, nearly every major manufacturer is investing in software-controlled vehicles. The hardware becomes the device, the features become subscriptions, and suddenly buying the car is only the beginning. So I want to know, does your vehicle have a feature locked behind a subscription? Drop the make, model, and feature in the comments. And if this made you angry, share it. Because the more people know about it, the harder it becomes for manufacturers to normalize it. Subscribe for the next episode of Wait, Your Car Does That.